The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Thank you, Ed. Deepak, good morning. Anthony, Paul, Chris, Kevin, guys, good morning. Fellas, very good morning to you all. Thank you, Dennis. Michael, good morning as well. Guys, hope you had a nice afternoon. Markets didn't really shake out much in the afternoon. There wasn't much of a trade. Today is kind of looking similar. Little bit slow this morning. I did run the bots overnight. Well, in the 3 to 5:30 time frame, the trend bot's down $280. And whoop, and the time filter's on anyways. And the MNQ is up 319. So the micros are up. The minis are down small. Another slow day. In any event, today is hump day. It is Wednesday. As a public service announcement, I will not be in the room on Friday. I will not be here Friday. Room will be closed on Friday. If you guys are here on trial, your trials will conclude next week. Some of you will end on Monday. Some of you will be Tuesday or Wednesday, but I apologize for any inconvenience, but it is a day off for me on Friday. Okay, I'll make that announcement again because inevitably somebody will email me on Friday and say, how come the room's not open? Got another update on the Algo for those of you guys that, thank you, Carl, for those of you guys that have the Algo. Yesterday, I showed you guys what we what is labeled Algo 3, where we pirated the guts, I guess, from the TrendBot Pro for the Algo. And then yesterday, I updated Algo 2. So we have a couple of versions, and I'm going to trade them both today, both with Apex accounts. The update for Algo 2 has a daily draw, daily profit added, as well as a trail stop, a more traditional type trail stop. So I haven't tested it. I'm going to test it today with an Apex account. We'll find out how it works. All right. Let's first check news. I don't think we have anything today. We do have crude inventory, so the probabilities of me even looking at crude today are none. Slim, I should say. No news. No scheduled speakers while we're here, or at least on my end. And then we do have no, Netflix is tomorrow. Nothing today. It's kind of a dull day. I guess we're going to wait on some response potentially from Israel. Yesterday's close was 881, so the markets are up about 25 points, at least the NASDAQ is. We'll look at that in a second. Let me read the disclaimer and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses Similar to those shown, this presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. That should work.
Looks like 19 quarter gives way.
Let me turn that. Say that again, Greg.
Looks like 19 quarter gives way. It's going to roll.
Yeah, 27 half may bounce at once. Come on, let's get that target. There it is, target one filled on the micro bot. I missed a nice short right on the open, but it doesn't look like I have any lag. 36, yeah, all right, so I'm going to turn on my algos, guys. I'll be annoyed as hell if I get a fill like yesterday where it's a lag fill. Okay.
The defense minister now commenting here at the meeting with you, saying that he told Cameron and Baerbock that the world must hold Iran accountable.
The world must hold Iran accountable.
To impose additional military and economic sanctions on Iran.
Yeah, I have lag. God dang it, for the love of God. Seriously, for the love of God. We're at 50, 45. Nah, it looks like I'm all right. Come on, let's go. Go get target one anyways.
Order canceled.
Target one filled. I don't know why my stop loss didn't come up.
Order canceled.
Out. All righty. Buyers trying again. Now we have a short on the trend bot. Added one. Added two. We're just chopping here. But I think we're going up. It's hard to tell. There's small buyers, small sellers.
Order canceled.
Took off one of the add-ins.
Order canceled.
Took off both add-ins.
Order canceled.
Target one is hit and filled on the trend bot. Just giving us target one so far here, fellas. There's no range. $19 quarter, you said?
Got to break 19 quarter.
All right, so what's your entry?
Oh, I was talking for you when you were in it short.
Oh, I'm not in anything right now. Where's your short entry?
Oh, did a clean close below 30 quarters, so right where it's at. If we get a nice close below that, I'll be going in. I'm sorry, I thought you were already short.
No. There you go. If we come down and get this last target, it'll be a nice day on the bot already, guys. Come on.
Order canceled.
All right, out. Trend bot's up 520. Remember, it was down to something when we came in. So we got 550 and 520 on the bots. We stopped right at the bottom of that zone, next zone. 15 half.
They work in this area.
Yeah, they're slopping it up again. I think we're turning up here, guys. Buyers are coming back in now. We may get one quick short out of this zone, somewhere between 48 and 55. Don't particularly care for the long, but
I need to hold this 40, 49 area.
I think this is going to go back to 57. More targets on the bot. We're just banking, fellas. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud here has to break. We're pushing through, trying to push through the bottom of that zone again.
Order canceled.
All right, out. Bot's up 710. Trying to close below this zone, which should start working us down to a little bit of support at 05 and then 94. Nice job, Kevin. Target met, done for the day. What's better than that?
Break this 12.
Okay. Up 758.50 and 710. You're welcome, Collins. Back to work. Have a good day, man. See you tomorrow. Algo is Algo 2. The bottom is Algo 3.
Order submitted.
Added 1.
Order submitted.
Added 2. I would have thought this would have been a good trade long. Got buyers still, but it's going to take me out. Well, not yet. Come on, dog. Let's go. Up. Got to get through 75 and I'll be long. 75, I'll take a long on the NASDAQ. Come on. 75 is key, fellas. If it gets through 75, it's going. It's going to take me out first, it looks like.
Order canceled.
Yep, out. Took one of the add-ins off. That's it. There's no momentum anymore. Crude. Yeah, thank you, Randy. It's resistance is going to be 49.50. Should get this second add-in here. Came close. Didn't get it.
Canceled.
Got one contract. Back to 5. It's trying to turn up.
Order canceled.
Took one off. Come on, man. Get out of this freaking chop freaking zone. I'll be long above 50, guys. 52, 53. We could go all the way back to 889. Building a bear flag on a 2-minute, though. I don't like it. Got to get above 50. Yeah, NASDAQ is trying also, but that 48 is a wall right now. 3 consecutive bars up there. It's trying. Next 2-minute bars in a minute. Come on, dingbat, go. There it goes. Come on. Buyers are trying. Come on, push up here and go. Run like the wind. 2. I want this out of here. Come on, go get 75. Man, this thing should get 75 all day. 74, 75, and then 82. It's this freaking 64 is going to be resistance as well. So if you want to take some risk off ahead of that 64, you can. We're failing this damn zone again. But we're down to 13, back to 1400. This can pop long above 42.
Okay.
I'm not saying it's going a mile. I'm just saying it can pop maybe to 54.
Order canceled.
All right, got target 1. Told you wanted to go up, man.
Order canceled.
Got a target. I turned off the trailing stop, guys, on the bot. This is going up. We're going to go back to 888. Where's your entry?
Well, as it stands right now, 74.75.
Okay.
I'll take a target off at 87 quarter.
That's 2-minute bar in 28 seconds.
Resistance here at 60.
Yep. Yeah, look what we're failing again. This damn low volume area. Up here, it was up 1380. Look at this. They just killed it off that 60. Wow. Wow. There's the break of that 18. Now it's coming to 03. Coming to 03. Which is the last day of the week for me. I am out on Friday, barring some change in my plans, right? You're welcome, Dennis. For the record, the micros, there's the 09. 9. The micros finished up 758.50. Yeah, Paul, you're full of you're just full of it, aren't you? And the minis finished up 340. The Algo 2 update finished up 325. The Algo 3 finished up 280. So they each took several trades, one winner, one loser. I'll turn them back on till noon. There we go. We're breaking down again. Now we could come back to 81. That could have just been a reload. But we caught the long. And then order flow wise, I finished up 1480. I was down 500 after that one losing trade.